Hey, how's it going? I thought I'd just do a quick overview on using the Photoshop mask templates in GIMP. So within Photoshop, the files are set up in such a way that within layers, we've got a layer group here, which has kind of got all our masking objects in it that we can copy and paste, paint in kind of whatever we want within this folder, and it's going to mask this image sitting up here. This image is a smart object, so you can double click on it, replace this with whatever you want, uh, and then this will update the main Photoshop file. And this layer here is set to clip. Um, then you can save this, drag and drop it into InDesign, and you're good to go. And when you export from InDesign as a PDF, it will convert it to whatever DPI you're running it, you're exporting at, and whatever color mode you're exporting at. If we're working in GIMP, we'll just import this in. Import PSD, click OK, and then just keep the embedded working space. So GIMP sets up its layer panels a little bit differently. It doesn't support smart objects, so this here is just an image. It doesn't support adjustment layers, so that kind of level layer is gone. You just delete it and ignore it. And it does clipping slightly differently. So the layers panel is set up you've got a layer group, and then below it we've got the gold frame. So within this layer group, we've got the image we want to be clipped by everything below it. That is set to clip to background or clip to backdrop, which means that this image will be clipped by everything below it within this layer group. That's why the gold frame isn't clipping the image out, because it's sitting outside of that layer group. And then we've also got sitting below that another layer group here called place masks here, which is set to union, which is a bit like a mini merge, or Photoshop's going to pass through. And then again in here, you can duplicate these layers. You can shift them around however you see fit. You could draw in here as you want. If you want to replace the image, all you need to do is grab an image, drop it into the GIMP layers. And as you see here, this isn't being clipped, but we right click on this layer and we'll change the composite mode to clip to backdrop. And again, it's being clipped to everything that is sitting below it within this layer group. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to save this to import into InDesign, you'd go File, and then go Export As, and then select the file type by extension. We'll go down to Photoshop image. I will call this test, and then click Export. And then your options that come up here, just stick with the default, click to export. You can absolutely save this as a GIMP file, the XEF, and I'd suggest you do. Have a working file for whatever software you like, but you're not going to be importing a XEF file into InDesign. Anyway, so we've got this test file here that we exported from GIMP, so we can just drag and drop. You're going to get a warning. Just click OK, and you can see it imports absolutely fine. The layer masks have moved around. And the great thing about exporting it as a PSD is you kind of got this cross compatibility between Photoshop and GIMP as well. And you see it rearranges the layers a little bit, but it sets this layer to being a clip, and we've got all the masks kind of sitting in here like so. I hope that has been helpful. Don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments, or jump onto Discord. I'm happy to help troubleshoot anything you've got. Yeah, thanks.